Okay, now that we have finished reading When the Wind Stops, we have a new reading called Day and Night. We are going to read this article to find out why some changes in nature happen. Okay, this one is a science article, which means it is non-fiction. It can tell how something in nature works, and it might also have an experiment you can try to see how things work. If we look at the pictures here, I want you to think or predict what is going to happen, or what are we going to learn about. Also, how do you think the picture here is going to show us the way Earth spins and how that is connected to day and night? Okay, I will read this to you. The title is Day and Night. Around and around. The planet we live on seems to stand still, yet Earth is always moving. It rotates or spins around and around. You cannot feel Earth rotate because you are moving along with it. This is the Earth, and this line here is called an axis. An Earth spins on an imaginary line. It is called an axis. This diagram or picture shows you how. So the Earth spins around and around and around. Let's learn more about the Earth and the Sun. Earth and the Sun. Because Earth spins, only one part can face the Sun at a time. When the Sun reaches the part facing it, it makes day. The other part of Earth doesn't get any sun at that time, so it is night. So here you can see the Sun and the Earth. Because the Sun is here, all the light will go over to this side of the Earth, but it does not reach this side. This side is in a shadow. So in here we have day, and over here we have night, which means two different countries or two different places in the world have day and night at different times. Let's talk about sunrise and sunset. From Earth, it looks like the Sun moves across the sky, but the Sun does not move. Earth moves. When Earth starts to face the Sun looks like it rises into the sky. When Earth starts to turn away from the Sun looks like it's going down. Down here, let's look at this picture. As Earth spins, it looks like the Sun moves across the sky. So in the morning, 7 a.m., you see the Sun rise, comes all the way up here. 12 p.m. is around lunchtime, and then it starts to go down and turn into night at 7 p.m. Okay, time for an experiment. From day to night, an experiment. I want you to try this experiment at home to see how day turns to night. You will need a partner, so maybe ask your mum or your dad, or if you have a brother or a sister, auntie, uncle. You'll also need a flashlight and a ball, or if you have a globe around Earth, you can use that too. You'll have one person who holds the ball, another person who will shine their flashlight onto the ball. Turn off the lights, and partner one holding the ball will slowly rotate or turn around the ball as the other person shines the light onto it.